Understanding lead time in business and everyday life. Hello, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase lead time. Understanding this term is not only useful in business contexts but also in everyday situations. Let's dive in and demystify lead time together. Lead time refers to the amount of time that passes from the start of a process until its completion. In business, it's the period between the order and the delivery of a product or service. For example, if you order a custom-made piece of furniture, the lead time would be the duration from when you place the order to when it's delivered to your doorstep. There are different types of lead time we encounter. Customer lead time, the time a customer waits for a product or service. Production lead time, the time taken to manufacture a product from start to finish. Supplier lead time, the time it takes a supplier to deliver goods after an order is placed. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for both businesses managing their operations and customers setting realistic expectations. Several factors can affect lead time, including supply chain efficiency, how well the suppliers and logistics are managed. Production capacity, the ability of a company to produce goods within a given time frame. Demand levels. High demand can lead to longer lead times due to increased production pressure. By knowing these factors, companies can work on reducing their lead times, and customers can plan accordingly. In business, shorter lead times can lead to happier customers and a more efficient business operation. It's a key performance indicator that affects customer satisfaction, inventory costs, and overall competitiveness. We hope this video has shed light on the concept of lead time and why it's so vital in both business and personal planning. Remember, understanding terms like this can greatly enhance your English language skills, especially in professional settings. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next lesson.